This video lecture contain or option question number 3C. Or option question number 3C. Define alternating series. Verify whether the series summation n is 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n square upon n cube plus 1 is conditionally convergent or not. Okay? तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे define alternating series. Okay, so first write the definition of the alternating series. An alternating series is a series whose consecutive terms have alternating positive and negative signs. The general form is summation n is 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n an, or summation n is 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n plus 1 into n, where an is greater than 0. Okay, so this is the definition of alternating series. Now, next, verify whether the given series is conditionally convergent or not. Okay, तो सीरीज कंडीशनली कन्वर्जेंट है या फिर एब्सोल्यूट कन्वर्जेंट है, इसके लिए अभी प्रीवियस मैंने जो आपको लिंक दिखाई, यू कैन रिफर दिस लिंक. ओके, सो नाउ check the convergence of this series. Now this series is what? Here negative sign is given. So that's why this series is alternating series. Compare with this form. Okay. So minus 1 raised to n into n. So here what is an? An is n square upon n cube plus 1. Okay. So this is my alternating series with an equal to n square upon n cube plus 1. Okay. So now if alternating series is given, for alternating series first of all we have to apply Leibniz test. Okay. तो लिबनिज टेस्ट में क्या है, वी हैव टू चेक टू कंडीशंस. फर्स्ट क्या होना चाहिए कि ये सीरीज क्या होनी चाहिए, डिक्रीजिंग सीरीज होनी चाहिए, और दूसरा क्या होना चाहिए, लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी an इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो इफ दीज टू कंडीशंस आर सेटिस्फाइड देन वी कंक्लूड दैट द गिवन सीरीज इज convergent series. Okay, to test convergence apply Leibniz test. So first, mod an plus 1 is less than mod an for all n. Say yes or no. तो यहाँ पे देखो an मेरा क्या है, n square upon n cube plus 1. So what is the an plus 1? an plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 square upon n plus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. Okay, now compare an and an plus 1. So here see, in an, in numerator n raised to 3 plus 1, and in an plus 1 n plus 1 raised to 3 plus 1, means here denominator is what, greater than the denominator of an. Okay, so that's why the entire number is what, less than the entire number. Okay, means an plus 1 is what, less than the an. Okay, so that's why what we conclude, an plus 1 is less than an for all n. Means first condition is satisfied. The given series is what, decreasing series. Okay, now let's check the limit. Limit n tends to infinity mod an equal to limit n tends to infinity n square upon n cube plus 1. Okay, now from this take n square common. Here n square, from denominator take n square common. So what we get, n plus 1 upon n. So now n cancel. Now apply limit. So 1 upon n become what, 0. What we have, 1 upon n. Okay, again 1 upon n becomes 0. Okay, so that's why what is the answer? Answer is 0. So what we conclude, limit n tends to infinity an equal to 0 means series is decreasing and this limit value is 0. So that's why by Leibniz test the given series is what, convergent series. Okay, अब अल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट है, तभी हमें क्या चेक करना है कि सीरीज एब्सोल्युटली कन्वर्जेंट है या फिर कंडीशनली कन्वर्जेंट. ओके, अगर ये सीरीज ही डाइवर्जेंट है तो हमें ये चेक नहीं करना है. गॉट इट? सो नाउ लेट्स चेक वेदर द गिवन सीरीज इज एब्सोल्युटली कन्वर्जेंट और नॉट. To check the given series is absolutely convergent or not, here we need to take the absolute of the given series. Okay, so take absolute value of the series. So after removing this absolute, this negative become positive. Okay, so that's why now the series is what, n square upon n cube plus 1. So now these alternating series after taking absolute value become what? Positive term series. ओके तो ये अब हमारी पॉजिटिव टर्म सीरीज हो गई. अब हमें क्या देखना है कि ये सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट है या नहीं. तो पॉजिटिव टर्म सीरीज के लिए हमारे पास क्या है? ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज टेस्ट, पी टेस्ट, रेशियो टेस्ट, रूट टेस्ट, कंपैरिजन टेस्ट. ओके सो नाउ फाइंड द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ दिस सीरीज यूजिंग ऑल टेस्ट ऑफ पॉजिटिव टर्म सीरीज. ओके चलो अब यहाँ पे क्या है? फ्रॉम हियर in numerator and denominator what is given? Polynomial is given. Okay so when polynomial is given, here we can take n common. Say yes or no. So that's why here what we use limit comparison test. If polynomial is given and we can take n common, so use limit comparison test. Okay so now first step for limit comparison test, what we need? Here we are comparing the given series with new series. Okay so that's why here find new series Bn. So now find series Bn. How to find it? For this observe the series An. Now in numerator what is the maximum power of n? Maximum power of n is what? N square. Okay same in denominator what is the maximum power of n? Is n raised to 3. Okay now n square n raised to 3, so square is cancel out, what we get? 1 upon n. Okay so that's why what is the series Bn? Series Bn is series 1 upon n. So comparing series En, here we have new series Bn and Bn is what? 1 upon n. Now next find the limit L. So L is equal to limit n tends to infinity An upon Bn. Now put the value. Limit n tends to infinity. An is n square upon n cube plus 1. Bn is 1 upon n. Now do the cross multiplication. So what we get? N square upon n cube plus 1 multiplied by n upon 1. Okay so here in numerator we have n raised to 3. From denominator take n raised to 3 common. So we have 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon n raised to 3. Okay now n raised to 3 is cancel out. Here put limit n tends to infinity, so answer is what? 1. Okay so if my L, what is the condition for limit comparison test? What is the range of L? 0 less than L less than infinity. Okay if L lie in this range, then what we conclude? From limit comparison test, series An and series Bn both converge or diverge together. Okay मतलब के अगर Bn सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट है तो An भी कन्वर्जेंट होगी और अगर Bn डाइवर्जेंट है तो An भी डाइवर्जेंट होगी. मतलब कि यहाँ दोनों सीरीज क्या है उसका बिहेवियर सेम है. क्लियर? सो फ्रॉम द वैल्यू ऑफ L वी कंक्लूड दिस वन. नाउ नेक्स्ट फाइंड द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ सीरीज Bn. ओके क्योंकि Bn सीरीज क्या है हमारे पास? Bn सीरीज हम एक ऐसी सीरीज फाइंड करते हैं जिसका कन्वर्जन क्या है हम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके क्योंकि An सीरीज क्या है? इसमें जो टर्म है वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. डायरेक्टली वी कैन नॉट फाइंड द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ दिस सीरीज. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कंपेयर दिस सीरीज विथ न्यू सीरीज. ओके सो नाउ लेट्स फाइंड द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ दिस सीरीज. सिंस सीरीज Bn इक्वल टू सीरीज 1 upon n, this is a P series with P equal to 1. What is the form of P series? 1 upon n raised to P. Okay. Now here compare with P. So P is what? P is 1. And what is the condition of convergent for P series? If P is greater than 1, then the series is what? Convergent series. And if P is less than or equal to 1, then the P series is what? Divergent series. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Equal to 1 है मतलब कि ये सीरीज क्या है? Divergent. Okay. So that's why the Bn series is what? Divergent series. मतलब कि now we have a knowledge of Bn series. Bn series divergent है. So from this what we conclude? An series is also divergent. Say yes or no. Okay. So from limit comparison test we conclude that the series Bn diverges, series An also diverges. Okay. So hence दिस अल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज इज नॉट एब्सोल्युटली कन्वर्जेंट, क्योंकि इसकी जो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ली हमने, बराबर है। अब एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू के बाद जो सीरीज हमने फाइंड की वो सीरीज क्या है, डाइवर्जेंट है। मतलब कि ये सीरीज क्या है, एब्सोल्युटली कन्वर्जेंट नहीं है। तो हम क्या कंक्लूड करेंगे, इट इज कंडीशनली कन्वर्जेंट। क्लियर? मतलब कि ये जो सीरीज है इसकी अल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट है, बराबर, लेकिन इसकी जो आफ्टर टेकिंग एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इट बिकम पॉजिटिव सीरीज। ओके, तो उसकी पॉजिटिव सीरीज जो है वो क्या है, कन्वर्जेंट नहीं है। ओके, तो ये क्या है, एब्सोल्युटली कन्वर्जेंट नहीं है। ये सीरीज क्या होगी, कंडीशनली कन्वर्जेंट।